Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go. don't you to go. on you to go. On you to go. Don't you to go.
Hold on. Is that you, yeah? Is that chat? I've heard a lot about you guys, but it's been a while. I don't know, man. Should I start the stream? I'm not too sure. Someone told me that SG is streaming like every single day this week, but I don't know if that's true. Can someone confirm or deny? Because if that's the case, then I'm pulling up every single day. Like, that SG guy is sick at streaming, and he gets banger trades as well. So if he's streaming every single day, holy, I need to turn up. Like, I actually need to turn up, unironically. Yeah. But chat, enough of the shenanigans. Enough of the debauchery. Enough of the tomfoolery. Any other words? Enough of the mischief. It's time to get into the stream. So without further ado, chat. In 3, 2, 1. What is popping, guys? Listen, man. Welcome back to the streams, chat. Welcome back. Holy shit. Let's get into it. It's gonna be a banger. It's gonna be an absolute banger. But chat, how we all doing, man? Who's here? Come say hi. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. All of them ones there. Let's get into it. Because like I said, this one's going to be good, chat. What's good, Danny, Mark, Joshua, Dirty Bikes, Omar, Bill, Danny again. Said your name twice. Who else is here, chat? Come say hi. It's time to get some bread in the account. Put the fries in the bag. Put the money in the bank account. What's good, Anil? What's good, Damien? Gold's in the consolidation range of doom. We're going to do a little gold analysis and an NQ analysis. Hey, what's good, Jay? What do you mean just ignore you? You didn't put anything in the chat. Literally, this is your first message in chat. I just scrolled up. Nummies. Nummies chat. All right, let's get into it. So, weekly time frame on gold here has flipped bullish after making a bottom wick. Daily time frame previously closed bullish, and you flipped after making a bottom wick. 4-hour time frame range, just pure consolidatory nonsense. All right, between these two areas, even maybe between these two. Look at that, it's just atrocious. Holy shit, I'm here with the synonyms today. 2-hour looks okay. Hourly, meh. How am I meant to even chart this? We're gonna have a level. Oh my days, man. It's just Chop City here. All right. First level is gonna be 40.47. Sells below or there do not look bad, or buys back off of that level also doesn't look terrible. To be honest, with gold, I'm gonna want to see us close above 41.07, which is miles away. But that's the clean range. If you close above there, you're gonna run up towards the highs. Anywhere in this range is just horrible to trade. Like, literally, I believe it's untradeable in this range, right? So we're gonna get buys above 41.07 to take us up towards 41.30, which should be good if you can close above there, right? Oh, I just got a message on Telegram, guys. Wait, hang on. Let me stop the stream for this. Hello, are you looking for a part-time job that takes 2 hours a day, Monday through Friday? No. You might need that, actually, because you're desperate for a job.
Professionally unemployed.
All right, chat. But look, those are my levels for gold. Let's go over to NQ. What's good, Rosie? Hello, TRLS. How have you been? It's been a while. I've been busy with school and work. And thesis? Nice. Oh, schoolwork and thesis. What's good, Rosie? Welcome back. Good luck with that. What's good, Darius? Yeah, it's a bit cold. Nemanja, what's good? Yo, we got Nemanja Vidic in the chat. Holy shit. Bro's about to 2-foot us all. Alright. NQ. Weekly close bearish. Current weekly is just a top wick, to be honest. Sorry, daily and weekly, I guess. You did close below most recent, so technically, I guess you could start to say that is a bit of a reversal indicator right there. Daily time frame pushing up a little bit. Previous close bullish, but again, nothing crazy. 4-hour structure still kind of bearish. You do have a strong resistance exactly where we are right now at like what's that? 528. 1 hour, similar story, to be honest. We're looking at, I would say closure above here on the 1 hour is decent for buys on NQ. For sells, I'm going to want to see something closing below 24,396. Let's just look to the left a little bit. Yeah, somewhere like that. Let's drop it down a little bit. 390 flat is a little bit better. That should take you down towards, I think we're looking at like 239. Yeah, interesting. And then after that, if you do close above 2481, you've got a lot of room. Like you should fill up, sorry, if you do close above 24,552, you can then go to 841 for the buys upwards. That'll be our target. So realistically, chat, NQ's looking a little bit cleaner today. If you do then close below 239 as well, it comes all the way down to like 2400. So I think we're most likely going to get a position on NQ today, if we get one. Gold, I mean, if gold sets up, then don't get me wrong, we're looking good, right? No news today though, right? Absolutely zip news. Let's look at what we have for the week though. Chat, by the way, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. I've got some big announcements coming shortly. If you're in the Discord, you would have seen that I actually announced that I'm going to be streaming the entire week on YouTube this week. So you guys are getting a full week of streams again, which is going to be nice. Tomorrow we've got PPI. Wednesday you've got is that CPI? It is. Oh, Wednesday CPI is going to be mental. I'm gassed for that. As well as unemployment claims. Thursday, no news. Friday, no news. So Tuesday and Wednesday, holy shit. Yeah, bro, it's been 2 weeks. When are you going to send me the fund account? Brother, I've said this in DMs. When Apex give me the account to give you, I'll give it to you, all right? You're going to get the account. I'm pretty sure they're hella busy right now. How are you, SG? Malinka, I'm good, my bro. I'm good. Yo, all right. Red folder news. TRLS streaming every day on YouTube this week. Mega bullish reaction on Pip and Dipper's accounts. W. I like that. Let's put that in the Discord. You got 646 for buys above on NQ now? 646? I mean, yeah, potentially. But I like 552 better. And I think that takes you all the way up. We can use that as like a BE here. 6.4, 650, somewhere around there. Yeah, Malinko's right. I've never not given a giveaway account. Right? Like, it just sometimes takes time. And it's not on me. Like, there's not much I can do about it. Chat, 50 people in here right now. Drop a like on the stream. Show some love. Guys, I'm treating you guys this week. I'm absolutely spoiling you. Not only am I streaming all week, I'm also dropping another balcony talk today, 4 p.m. UK time, which you guys are going to love. Hey, what's good, Levi? How's it going, brother? Have you now finished? You finished, right? I passed the account that I want on Discord, want on the giveaway in Discord with Tom. Let's go, man. TRLS for the win. Holy. That is a W right there. In China, 520 is a declaration of love. W. How gay do you need to be not to drop a like? Very. Streaming all week. Just giving value away. I know, bro. Like, what's going on? Just ridiculous. Malinko, that's huge, though. Secure the payout, man. Just close gold. 8% of my buy position. Stops at BE. Caught 89 pips. 1.9% trade. W. Good shit, Jay. Yeah, guys. Yeah. This looks good. I'm bullish on TRLS, low key. Absolutely bullish this week. Yeah, we're going to kill it. Yeah, this 1 hour close above was actually quite decent on gold here. That would have given you like 300 ticks after you close back above the range. But it's so choppy in here, I don't want to trade it. I don't want to trade it. I'd rather, low-key, these NQ buys above look monumental. Wait, what's Bitcoin doing, fellas? Oh, yeah, it's not good. Not good. Not ideal. Chat, my average buy on Bitcoin is at 94. So, not the best, but also, I would say not the worst. Actually, it might be a little bit lower because I bought some over the weekend. So let's call it like 93. Just retargeting these highs. I don't have a stop loss as well. How to scale futures props? Simple. Buy cheap accounts like 50Ks. Try and pass as many as you can. Let's say you buy 10 accounts, pass 5. Trade up, secure the payout, buy more, rinse, repeat. It's so easy to scale futures props, so easy. Actually, someone asked me a question earlier. Any advice on how you manage your trade and risk to reward when trading a 50K valuation account? Yeah, Rosie. It's very simple. You just risk on an eval. Depends if you can afford to lose the eval. Because if you can, then I would risk 2%. Target like a 1-to-1 or just, you know. Actually, to be honest, I dropped a YouTube video on this literally like 3 or 4 days ago. I top ticked XRP and BTC for my first crypto buy. Lol, still holding. Good shit, Dirty Biked. Tom just sprinted to the dislike button. Yeah. Shotgun method. Exactly. Exactly. Oh, wait. Yeah, all right, guys. Cool. Cool. A lot of potential here today, guys. Low-key. Honestly, these hourly buys on NQ weren't terrible. But it's a bit aggressive for my liking, especially since we're bearish overall. I like this new position indicator. I'm not going to lie. I'm feeling the colors on this. But yeah, by the way, guys, if you're in the Discord or you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen over the weekend that I did actually open the waitlist for my new one-on-one program. So if you are interested in becoming profitable in the next 90 days, guaranteed, click the link right there. I'm going to pin it in chat. Yeah, basically, I'm taking on 10 students. We've already got 2 on board, or I have. So there's 8 spots left, I believe. And the guarantee is you will become profitable in the next 90 days. Otherwise, I'll give you $1,000 and keep teaching you for free. So no brainer, really. It's literally risk-free. So yeah, sign up there if you want to become profitable by the end of 2026. Or going into 2026, let's say, because it's now a little bit less than 90 days. How much is the entry? It depends. But click the waitlist and you'll find out. Guys. How was everyone's weekend though? What did you guys get up to? Anything interesting? Low-key, I had a crazy weekend. What's good, Gaz? How's it going, brother? Gaz is one of the one-on-one students that we have. Bro's about to get his first payout. W, Gaz. What's good, victory settings as well? What did we do on the weekend? Went for a little hike. Yo, actually...
2 very outdoorsy days.
Yeah, we actually did. Oh, nah, actually... We had a sick weekend. So we went to these caves, right? If you saw on my Instagram, we went to these like caves. My girl showed me them and she was like, yeah, let's go take a day trip. So we did. Look at this shit. It was well fun. So I saw myself on the hike. Are you hungry? Yeah, please. Which was sick actually, low key. And then yesterday, we were walking down like through the city, or through the town in Limassol Old Town. We found like this food court place, but upstairs they had a fat golf simulator. Like it was a bar, but with golf simulators in. So we spent like a couple of hours just hitting golf balls. It was sick. Honestly, really, really good. I went drifting on the snow. We got 50 centimeters fresh snow here. 50 centimeters. Half a meter of snow. That's like...
What, in the UK?
Nah. Somewhere in the... that way. In the cold places. I don't know where exactly. 50 centimeters is a lot though. Buying my first car today. Been searching for the right one for a while. Let's go, Dirty Bikes. What you buying? Yeah. Oh, I actually need to work out what... Let me do this right now. I'm pretty close to a third payout on my Top Step accounts, which is going to be mad. How do I do this? I need to see how many trading days I've got. Nissan Safira with a RB20 DET 350 brake horsepower, 1994. Bro, I've got no clue what any of that means. I've never even heard of a Nissan Safira, but 350 bhp is pretty cool. Nah, car. Like this. Yeah, pretty cool. Old school. So funny, just came to stream and saw that we're in the same trade. I'm not actually in this. This is what I was just looking for, but yeah, I do think that would be a good position. Kind of late. Did I miss anything? Nah, man. Nah, man. You're all good. Chat. Tell your friends. Tell your wife. Tell your children. SG streaming all week this week. All right. So if you guys want to make just infinite bread, essentially, turn up to the streams all week. Stream on YouTube all week? Yes, sir. Should have been here earlier. Sam was throwing it back. Whoa. That's slander. Make the music a little bit quiet. I got you. Considering holding my buys till 24,841. If it breaks through here, I believe it will fill the range up to there, yes. I agree. So if you are looking to target somewhere, either target here, close and partials here, or take it up towards the top of the range. Top of the next range, I should say. Guys, bit of transparency as well. I requested another payout on Apex over the weekend. The first one that I had got declined by them, which debunks the influencers always get their payouts rule. The reason I got declined though was because I broke a rule, very simply. Like I broke the scaling rule. You're only meant to use like, I think it was like max 3 cons or something, and I used more. So yeah, they got me. But they didn't take the money or anything. They just literally... well, like, yeah. Just retrade for the next cycle. 3 minis? Yeah. I think I put like 4 on a trade. I'm not gonna lie, 5. Bow, no. But yeah, that does debunk the influencers always get their payouts rule. All right, I have 3 total on here. So I need 2 more. Wait, actually, oh fuck. I don't have my notebook. I'll get it later. Saw a higher time frame bullish reel earlier today. Got me thinking that higher time frame is so bullish for TRLS. Yeah, it actually is. That is facts. Higher time frame's mad bullish. Guys, if you're new to TRLS as a community, or if you've been here for a while, I guess it's the same, but You're in the right place. If you want to become profitable, you want to make money, there's literally not a better trading community than the one we have right here. One thing I would say is get involved in the Discord, even the free Discord, right? Just jump in, stay active. There's a lot of people active in there, helping each other out, looking for positions. Maybe you missed something, or someone's looking for something, and you realize that, oh yeah, you've got a setup forming. It can change the game, right? You can make a lot more money based off of that. Under 30 30 micros per trade. I think it's at one time. So you can't have more than that on at one time. I think you can do that more than that in a day. I don't think that's a problem. Wait, 4K GBP for that car is mental. All right, I need to get a few more trading days to get these payouts on Top Step then. Oh. Oh, wait, maybe not. Wait, can I request a payout right now? Should we do it on stream? Maybe I can request a payout here. Let's see. Because I just checked one of my Top Step accounts. It says it's got 10 winning days on it. So for the second payout, that would be good. Should we do a live on-stream payout request? I don't want to dox any of my information though. I don't know if it has my bank details or some shit. Let me check. My payout was on the 11th of the 3rd last time, which is... Wait, no, the 3rd of the 11th. My bad. 1, 2, 3... Okay, wait. So then I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my days. Get in. Chat, we can do it. You have to have 10 trading days minimum for the first payout? No, it's 5 trading days, but I've already got a payout on them. So I need 5 for the first one, which I got, and then took the payout and got it in my bank. And then I need 5 for the next one. 30 seconds to 1 hour close. Oh, true, actually. What's gold doing? Let's watch this hourly close first. Close bullish, bottom week first as well. But you got some very strong areas in here of rejection. So I don't really want to be trading in this. NQ. What does NQ do here every time? Should fill the range. Yeah, but to be honest, you have the rejection area right here. So I'm not trying to force anything right now. It's a very good close though. If you're in this already, like that's a very good close. But look how it tapped into my level on the dot and rejected. Don't really want to see that. All right, yeah, so I just realized I have the 5 winning days on my Top Step, which means that we can request a payout live on stream. So it's not gonna be a crazy payout. I think it's gonna be like 800 bucks, but times that by 5 accounts, which I'll get probably tomorrow. It's gonna be what, like 2K? Is that right? 4K.
What?
800 times 5, 4K. Yeah. So, I mean, look, small and consistent payouts is what I've been doing on these, and they seem to work like crazy. So, Let's do this. Wait. Let's bring this over here. Let's request a payout. So $798 USD. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, can I click the box? There you go. And submit. Great work. Your payout request was successfully submitted and a confirmation email will be sent to your inbox. So see you guys, you don't need to get the crazy 5K payouts. Like I said, look, 800 bucks times 5 there, that's 4K. Bear in mind, that's my second payout on these Top Step accounts, which cost me $1,000 total for all 5 accounts. And I've now requested roughly $9,000 across these 5 Top Step accounts after I request the rest tomorrow. So that right there is how you can see the ROI on these prop accounts. It's ridiculous, literally insane. So yeah, you don't need to get crazy big payouts to have good ROI. I think the biggest payout I've requested on these has been like 1.2K. The rest have been around $800 to $1,000. And you just request slow and steady over and over. And once you get to that point, right, you get 5 winning days of $200 next week, and I can request another 1,000. So these accounts could pay me like 4 or 5K every week. And that is how you play the prop firm game, my friends. What other streamers are you seeing requesting payouts live on stream, man? Most of them don't even get payouts. That's why you should click that wait list right there to become my student, right? Because I actually do this shit, unlike your favorite mentor. And I'm also not trying to just flex for socials. If I was trying to flex for socials, I would have gone for the 10K payout, but that would pay my bills for the month, plus a little bit. We take it. Activation fee paid before payout? Yeah. W mentor, Sam a true goat for sure. As I said, higher time frame bullish for TRLS. Hey, W gang. It's insane. But people struggle so much because they try and go for the mega payout, right? You get funded and then you start thinking, oh, I need to get a 10K payout. This guy on social's got a 50K payout. Bro, I'll happily request $1,000 across 5 accounts every week or 2. All right, that's like, if you did it every week, that's 20K a month right there. And that was like a $900 payout. You know how easy it is to get $900 on a 50K account? Pretty easy. I've never requested a payout. Yeah, but you will, bro. There was a point where I'd never requested a payout, right? But it is what it is. Like, you get to the point where you get 1 and then suddenly you get 10 and then suddenly you get 50 and then suddenly you've, you know, requested a stupid amount of money. That was my 13th payout this month, chat. Like, you know how ridiculous that shit is? And I don't say that to flex on you because I really don't, like, I know you guys don't even care like about me saying that, but the point is to make you realize how possible it truly is. Would I have to tell HMRC? Never tell HMRC anything. Requested my first using the TRLS strat today. We'll be posting the certificate shortly. Let's go. A few months ago, you didn't know how to trade and now you're funded? Exactly. What?
My goals being played out.
Oh.
I just wasn't paying attention.
Well,
I had a level of 73, which it broke out the hourly, it's gone down perfectly, retested it, and it's come up with a flip. I just wasn't watching.
I mean, you could take the flip if you wanted to.
Yeah, I kind of wanted that wick entry of the support. That's now my favourite play. Remember when I was saying to you like 2 weeks ago, I have no idea.
Yeah.
You kind of got me.
The wick entry is the best play in my playbook. It's so good.
Like, it's just...
Chat, if you take one of my setups, just take a breakout wick entry, essentially a break and retest, and you'll make serious money. I probably made all of those trades that I just got the payout from using the breakout and the wick entry.
It's like absolute worst case scenario, really. Well, not absolute worst case scenario, but most common scenario is you just TP at the flip.
Yeah.
Which, but you know, like the amount of opportunities you get to get out break even as well.
Or minimum, you'll break even on the flip.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. I need to go back and relearn the wick entry. It's pretty simple, man.
I mean, there's a
Wicks over flips? Yes, W7, always.
there's
In my
a
opinion.
perfect example of it now. If you put the 73.8 line on, you can illustrate it to them. Like it's literally. I mean, it looks like it's come back down now, but
This is Tom's level.
it would have been the play.
Maybe. I'm worried about this area in here. But the point is, right? Like, it's just simple mechanics. When a candle has no top wick and it's still open, the likelihood is it's going to go and make a wick, right? It's literally like an 80 to 85% chance that it's going to do that. So if you know that and you can get in on a good area on the bottom wick, your essential strike rate is so high because all you have to do is wait for a candle to close above. All right, let's say it comes down without a top wick. You get in on somewhere where it's rejected from in the past, like somewhere around here. And then all you do is you have your BE point set on the flip of that candle. And if it continues to make higher highs, you're never going to get stopped out. It's such a good model. And that's why I teach it, because it's just so easy. The advantage point is way better. Your entry is way better. As long as you're taking it with the bias, you most of the time are catching that higher low being made before you end up actually getting in the position, right? I'll give you an example here as well. Like if you would have taken the wick entry here on NQ after you closed above, stops below this area here, you'll never get tapped out. Like you'll notice it doesn't ever come back down. That wick is right here, right? It doesn't come back down to it. You know? After the candle flips up here, it just hasn't come back down. It's so effective. Yeah, it's such a good advantage point. But the good thing is now, chat, NQ is pushing above the range here. So if we can close above 552 here, we are going to be good to go in terms of... we're looking for a wick entry on NQ. If we close above, I'll take one, yeah. What I would like to see now is I'd like to see this next candle close above the range up here. I'd like to see it come down, tap into this previous low, maybe even a little bit further, but this will probably do. Somewhere around like here. And then we'll get buys off of that to then continue up. Stops below these lows. So simple. I can't believe I didn't know I had a payout. I could have requested that over the weekend and got it.
It's a nice feeling to have.
It is.
Loki, if you NQ longs could be pretty decent. If you close above this 551 level.
What did I just do? I'm in from the last Friday push to the upside. Holy. Where's hold in that?
I guess not with a profit.
On FX you can hold.
Ah,
What did I just do here? I think I just archived that email.
that'll be good.
Alright, fuck it. Wicks are essentially the retest of the breakout. Yeah, it's just simple mechanics, right? Like, everyone tries to overcomplicate this shit. Like, it's ridiculous. It's very simply, oh, guys, we're making bullish market structure. Cool. Oh my God, we closed above a resistance level. Every time we've closed above that level in the past as well, you filled up towards this area up here. So you wait for it to make the higher low. Oh my God, it's retested the level with a bottom wick. I'm entering right here. Okay, ride it up to the high. TP's there. Your stop loss is below the lows. And that's the position. It's so simple. But everyone loves to overcomplicate trading, and I've got no clue why. Wait, guys, I'll be back in a sec, yeah? Tom, do you want to take over for a sec, please? No,
Boys, I'm not gonna lie. You're not gonna see my face on these streams for a few weeks. I've booked my flight home. I'm going home. It's a sad day. A sad day. I'm home on I fly home on Thursday, back to the UK. Yeah, I will be getting a trim, to be fair. I think I'm just gonna wait until I can go to my barber back home. But yeah, it will also give me you know, a bit more freedom to do, you know, this shit, I'll actually have my PC. I've just been working from fucking this thing for the last 2 months, but when I'm at my PC, I'll be able to, you know, set shit up the same way that Sam does, you know, with OBS, Facecam and that. So my my streams and stuff are gonna be way better, and I'm actually gonna lock in with the content. I was saying on my stream this morning, I've got, you know, maybe like 15-20 shorts planned out, 3 or 4 YouTube videos. I really want to document the week I just had last week. I had like a ridiculous trading week, my best ever by a lot. It was just one of them weeks where I just felt like everything I touched just turned green. So I think I want to do some sort of YouTube video about, like, you know, starting trading with Sam and then having the week I had last week or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, and no, my parents have been sending me photos. In Newcastle, apparently, it's just fucking pelting it down with snow, which is not great, really. Can't be bothered for that.
Nah, that is whack. I'm gonna be out here in like shorts and a t-shirt, and you're gonna be. Oh, someone clip that and then make a Cole Palmer edit of me. Am I muted? No, you're not, Grace. What's the YouTube channel? Well, Tom's T-Mac Futures, right?
Yeah, I mean, I've not really started it yet, to be honest.
Chat, drop a like on the stream, by the way. Much love to you guys in here. We're streaming all week on YouTube this week, literally Monday through Friday. So make sure you pull up every single day. Make the most out of it. We have a 15-minute close here in like a minute's time. Maybe the 30-minute could be good as well for a closure above here. Let's see, chat. Let's see. What we started as well in the TRS Academy last week. We were taking a lot of positions, you know, being a bit more aggressive, taking some more eval trades on stream to help these guys pass. And we ended up having a 100% win rate week. So yeah, mental stuff, but it's been a good month in terms of trading. It's been a very, very good month. Let's make a new YouTube account and steal Tom's handle. Boy's gonna pay me crazy dollars to get it.
I've already got that.
He's got it, right? Yeah, I think he's got it. Good idea though, low key. Move to NQ only? No, but just gold is just like pretty whack right now. I mean, it looks okay, but it's done this so many times where it's just ranging. Like, this is pure consolidation. If you zoom out a little bit, like between here and, let's just call it here and here, right? You're just consolidating, which makes it very difficult to trade, unfortunately. What's good, by the way, Kick? Yeah. All right, guys. But lots of potential here today. I'm not going to lie. Like, genuinely. If we can get some nice little positions. Sam, on my new fund, did I hit BE for my first trade and made 10 quid with the 30% consistency rule? Can I only take trades that are 30% more than that? No. It's not how the rule works, gang. Your biggest trade can't be more than 30% of your payout, of your total profit when you get a payout. So, Ewan, you don't need to worry about it unless you're hitting trades bigger than like $750, $780, I think it is on Apex. But don't worry about it. Like, I don't think you're gonna, I mean, maybe you will, but it's not something anyone really needs to care about.
If this closes above, I do actually really like this.
Yeah, I like it too. 15 close respecting though, chat. So nothing I can take on this 15, unfortunately. Bear in mind, we've got comics open in 5 minutes as well for gold. It should be interesting. Hopefully we can get some volume, push outside of this wider range here. NYSE open in, what is that, like an hour and 15? Yeah, that's a while.
You got to think that this will really want to take the PM session highs. And there's a 638 right above, which is probably where I would TP at. It's a little... Nothing crazy. At 80 points. I say nothing crazy, it's 300 ticks. It's still quite a big range.
Yeah. To be honest, because the stops are a little bit larger, let's say we get this position, realistically, logical stops are going to be either here or here, which is like 100 and something ticks, right? They're very big.
Yeah.
So I would want to be targeting the top of this range, somewhere like 841, chat. Maybe even lower. Like you could potentially target. You've got a couple of areas to target here, chat. This is the way I look at the markets. You can either target 646, you can target 774, or you can target the highs all the way up to 841, right? Or what you could do if you traded that way, chat, is you could do. I don't really trade that way, but some people do. You could do TP1, TP2, TP3, right? And you could just take partials off at each level of the scale. But I mean, we'll see, chat. We'll see. I wonder how I'd do that. If I had 3 TPs, would you do 30% at each?
I would do like 70% and then 2 runners.
Nah, because yeah, I mean maybe, but the problem with that is if you take 70% off here, the max I would ever do as the first one would be 50, I think. If you take 70% off here, when this one runs up here, that's like such a small amount of money.
I suppose it's just like that's a pretty big. I suppose the thank you at the minute though, like it's not unreasonable to catch that move. I mean, look to the left.
I know, yeah.
You just got from off screen to off screen and just.
Yeah, this is crazy. Unironically, that is pretty insane. I do TP1, close 50%, and SL to B, then leave the rest for full TP. That's what I used to do, chat. That's what I used to do. I remember, if you guys were with me in the Forex days, right, which most of you will have been, you would have remembered I used to close 50% and go BE, and then the rest would be to full TP, or probably close like somewhere a bit higher up. But now I think we also used to go BE at 10 ticks, which is pretty mad. Now we hit like easy 100 tick trades. But
that's the fucking the shy. Oh no, it's not shy. I can't.
Yeah, but what I've been doing now is like we just go BE at a certain point and then let it ride through. Especially like being unfunded, it's so much easier to manage your emotions that way, right? So much easier. Thank you so much. Chat just got the in-house Uber Eats. Oh wait. Look at that, nummies. I can't wait to spill this ketchup down on my white t-shirt. That's gonna be sick. I'm well excited for that, chat. Brand new white t-shirt as well. I'm just well excited to spill some ketchup down it. Chat, get yourself a girl who cooks for you. It's a game changer. Unironically, it actually is. Bow, bow. Yeah, chat, if this closes above, we are cooking here. Like, absolutely cooking. Oh my days. Where can I get one of those? Rock City or Mosh? The way you can do it, me and Tom were talking about this the other day. The easy way to make sure that you secure yourself a good woman and not a bad woman is you have a 3-step checklist, all right? Step number 1 is, what's your relationship with your father? Step number 2 is, have you ever been to Mosh? Step number 3, have you ever been to O Beach in Ibiza? If any of these they have a bad answer to, you're probably cooked, unfortunately. Especially O Beach. Sam, come to Athens? What's in Athens, man? What can I do there? Shake my head. Okay, brother, you're cooking? Yeah, I mean, it's simple. It's an easy 3-step process. You can meet the famous Mark F. I've heard about that guy. Mark, can we go in, what is it called? What do you call it? Death diving or cliff jumping or whatever the fuck. 30-minute closure above? Yeah, would be really good, chat. You got 8 minutes until that happens, so stay locked in for that. Did you see my reply to your Discord DM? I think I did. I don't know if I replied. I think I might have forgotten to. Yes, sir, we're going death diving together. Low key, I think I'd be whack at it. Chat, we have a word for this in my house. All right. When the food's a certain level of like tastiness, it can be classified as nummies. All right, and this is nummies right here. Ewan, I'll get back to you ASAP, bro. You gonna hit full TP? Yeah, Jay, good shit, man. Death diving's crazy work. Yeah, I know, it sounds mad. Absolute nummies, this chap. Grown ass man. You're telling me nummies isn't a cool ass word? Oh my days, and he just spat on stream. Nummies is a sick word. Give us some arms. What do you mean? Oh my days, look at this 15. Chat. If this flips, we are good. Dribble monster, shut up. Yeah, chat, if this 15 flips, we look pretty nice. Pretty nice. Oh, some ASMR. Yeah, fuck that. Are we going to reject off the level though? Hourly's still got no real bottom wick on NQ here. Maybe, chat. Maybe an alternative point of view here is we sweep Asia highs. All right, you did sweep Asia lows actually, so maybe we run up. But maybe you sweep Asia highs and reject. I don't know. But you did sweep Asia lows. Maybe these were the buys here. I wasn't even on the charts though. I was getting my car washed. But chat, I got some golf lessons yesterday, so maybe I need to ship my clubs over from the UK and start playing golf. There's a crazy new course that's just opened up in Limassol, like a really crazy new course. Driving range? Nah, I'll play full 18. Why doesn't Tom bring him back for you? I low-key don't think you can bring him back on a... Look at this shit, man. That's the casino right there. Chat, they're building paradise. They're actually building paradise. You got the casino right there. There's a shopping mall somewhere in here. And the golf course. Luxury villas. Crazy restaurants. Oh my days, chat. It's going to be magnificent. C'est magnifique. SG hits 150 on a par 70. Cap. My best score ever was a 71. But normally I average like, I haven't played in years, right? So I would probably say I'm not hitting below 100 now. But I used to average like 80 to 85. How much percentage do you risk per trade? It depends if I'm trading an eval. An eval is pretty much like 2 or 3% risk. If I'm trading a PA, it's 1%. Need someone to hold me from behind and teach me golf techniques is crazy work. I'm pretty sure Tom will do that for you though. What's the exact chart name for NQ on TradingView? You're never gonna believe this. Alright, you're never gonna believe this, Rentero. Alright, what you do is you type in NQ and it's the one that says NQ. I know, it's crazy. It's crazy. But it's called NQ. That's this one right here with CME. Guys, we're pushing above here. We might get a nice little buy position in like 3 minutes here. So stay locked in, stay focused. Get some nummies down you if you need. It's time, chat. To be fair, there's 2 that say NQ. Yeah, I'm just messing with you. Didn't bring enough to share with the class? I know. That's my bad. Quick explanation about your strategy. It's support and resistance, price action, breakouts. That's about it, really. Candle theory. I wait for a closure above, wait for a candle to form correctly, wait for enough liquidity to be taken, and I take a position opposite to the liquidity. Very simple. Is my grandma's chicken with potatoes classified as nummies? I don't know, bro. We'd have to try it. Only me and Tom and my girl can officially designate a meal nummies, right?
Yeah.
And there's a rigorous testing process.
Let me get a breakout just in time.
Yeah, 2 minutes here, chat.
What time is it? Half an hour.
This 30-minute close could be good. Maybe it's more of like an aggressive eval trade. I'll let you guys know what I take this on. We have pushed up quite far. Problem I'm seeing right now is, right, we swept Asia lows and Asia highs just now.
Yeah. But you've got the PM highs.
From last week.
Yeah, from Friday. You've got them at exactly 96.
Yeah, this could be BE then.
And they're double, like a double top.
If we hadn't swept Asia lows right now, I'd be a little bit more concerned, but hard R? What, rigorous? What's the significance of sweeping Asia highs and Asia lows? Basically, liquidity rests above these highs and lows, right? So you'll have orders like resting up here and then below here, right? So what happens is, let's say you end up, you know, in a situation where you come and sweep one of these lows. What you're actually doing is grabbing orders. So you come down, grab these orders right here, which means essentially you've filled now buy orders from institutions. And then obviously that gives the market enough volume and enough strength essentially to push back up. So you could essentially just sweep these highs here, right? These Asia highs, and then come back down after doing that. And that's just like a liquidity grab, right? But since we swept the lows first, I'm not too worried about it. And let me get these lines off my screen, man. Holy. It's too complicated right now. We're not even going to close above here, chat. You got 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Come on, Sean. Did you go to the overseas territory of the UK and Cyprus? Yeah. I mean, it's pretty, like, quite a lot of my gym's technically in the UK territory. Like, you go there, like, I go there every day pretty much. Guys, are we going to close above? You've got 4 seconds. Oh my days, this ab.
I don't like that. I mean, it has closed above, but like we're talking about like a micrometer. I had 551 exactly.
Yeah, it's pretty whack, chat. I'm not gonna lie.
And it's come down and made the world's smallest bottom line. It's basically just done your strategy, but on like a molecular level.
Well, the problem is, right, it jumped up before. So wait, let me see on top step. This could run, chat. Don't get me. Oh, there you are. I think this could run, but it just closed. That's such a AIDS closure. Honestly, that's ridiculous. But chat, the problem is, right, if you take this now, it's not even just about the strategy, right? Take the strategy to the side. If you now go, oh, cool, it's fine, it's gonna rip. You take the position. From a strategy point aside, what happens now is, in the back of your mind, you're thinking, fuck, it didn't actually close above. What if it actually just respects here? And then it starts to push down, and your psychology's going, oh, why did I take that? Why did I take that? And then what happens is, you close out for a loss because you're like, I need to make the smart decision here. And then it actually rips back up, and then you got FOMO, you jump back in, and it just starts a negative spiral. So taking an A+ setup isn't only just about whether or not you have the high probability. Obviously that's a part of it, but it's also a psychological factor that if you're taking a trade and there's something wrong with it, in the back of your mind, you're subconsciously always going to be thinking about that. And then that ends up with you managing the trade poorly and losing money when you don't need to. Close full on these NQ buys. First W on futures, let's go. Hey, good shit, man. Every trader's nightmare, that situation. I know, yeah. It's so easy to avoid, but it's also so difficult. If we take that, it'll just fill the weight down. Yeah. The hourly could be good here though, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe the next 15, we'll see. But lots of potential here, chat. I need you to make me a new nuance list. We can do that in a one-on-one call, bro. If we don't take it, it'll fly. Yeah, that's how it always works, right? You stay disciplined and it rips, and then you don't stay disciplined and it wrecks you. It'll happen every time. We can run the 1v1. Fire. Chat, I 1v1 Tom yesterday at Call of Duty. Free for all on Nuketown, and unfortunately you didn't get a single kill. I literally 30 and O'd you. I had full streaks as well.
That's not even remotely believable.
Yeah, it's sad, but
Not even remotely believable.
chat, we just took Asia highs as well. That's very interesting. So you could see this easily reject here after taking Asian highs. Trick shots? Yeah, well that's the thing, right? Tom had an SMG and I had a sniper and I was doing like 360s only. And I still beat him. It's kind of sad.
I'll beat you with my toes.
I'd put my life savings on a COD 1v1. Take him up on that.
Yeah, how much bread do you want to give me?
Tom will 1v1 you, dirty bikes. We should actually facilitate shit like that. By the way, guys, we're definitely going to do like a Clash Royale tournament in the...
When I'm home.
When Tom gets home, we'll do a Clash Royale tournament in the disc. Which COD we talking about?
Take your pick, mate. Which one do you want to lose on? We could even play one I've never played before.
I put my life savings on a MAM. Oh, yeah, maybe actually. Give some guy on the internet you've never met like all your bread to trade with an unregulated broker. That'd be well smart, I think.
No, but my mentor, the guy who teaches at ICC, he made 100 million.
Yeah, chat, that is true actually. Trades by Sai made 100 mil in a day, so
509,000% up. Bear in mind the winner of the Robbins Cup is up 300% this year.
yeah, it's just the most obvious scam I've ever seen in my life.
No,
He's
destroyed it.
509, what is it? 509,400%.
Yeah.
In 1 year, and the year's not even over. It'll probably be at 1,000,000% by then.
The winner of the Robbins Cup is up 300. The winner.
I think he's making a lot, but not that much. What? Bro, the guy's not even traded. Guaranteed.
Do you know what? So look, like he uses, like he does support and resistance trader.
We have these people on the internet that still call people call we have these people on the internet, but still people call SG a scammer. Nice. Yeah, to be fair, I rarely get called a scammer because I mean, how are you gonna call me a scammer? There's literally zero chance. I just took a payout on stream in front of you guys, taking 12 payouts this month with all the trades being live in front of an audience. There's literally a 0% chance you can call me that. Like, everything I do is in front of you guys, but all of these traders online that say they do, oh yeah, I made 50K today, no proof of them taking the entry, no proof of payouts, no proof of withdrawals, and everyone's like, oh my God, yeah, they're amazing. Bro, it's ridiculous. I mean, I made more. Yeah, true. Mark made a gazilli this year, bro. Well, you don't even understand how much a gazilli is. You couldn't even get close to a gazilli. SG don't scam, but there are fake SG scammers. It's getting out of hand. We've always had fake accounts of me, right? This is an ongoing thing, and it's just, it is what it is. There's not really much I can do other than I will never message you guys first on Discord, right? Ever. Yeah, I mean, I still get hate, right? Like, chat, you guys should have seen the comments on my Range Rover post. When I bought the SVR, the comments on it were crazy. Oh, rental, finance, scammer, it's not even his car. The best one, the one that I like the most is the trust fund one. Trust fund. Yeah, sure. That's why it's taken me 5 years to get the car, actually. Because I had a trust fund that I got when I was 18, but I waited 6 years to actually go and get a car, sure. But if I had if I got a trust fund that I got access to when I was 18, best believe my 18th birthday, I'm pulling up in, I don't know, the fucking Swarovski iced out Aston Martin Valkyrie. Like, I'm not being, yeah. I'm not being nonchalant about that at all. I would love a trust fund. In the Batmobile? Yeah, exactly. I'm a bit more confident in my trading going forward. I'm more committed to sticking to the rules and proper risk will be respected. I just got to set up with TradingView more now. Yeah, smart. For me, if anyone can call out the markets before they actually happen, that guy's legit because you can't fake that. This is true as well. That is something that I do think about though. Like if you, if like someone came on stream, even me, for example, let's just imagine that I wasn't taking any of these trades. But throughout the past year or so, you know, I've got like like an 80% win rate on stream. Even if I wasn't taking the trades, I still think that's pretty impressive. Like if someone was coming on stream and just going, right, guys, I'm not even going to take this, but if this closes above here, right, wait for a bottom wick and then target here and put your stops below there. And every time, or like, you know, it was actually profitable. Even if you didn't take it, I wouldn't care. You know what I mean? Yeah. I think that's still valid. But people are so like objectively, I don't know, they just love calling people out on the internet. It's so funny. I found it funny when the guy on your premiere vid about the risk to reward was instantly chatting shit before the vid even started. Oh my days, did you see that? No. I posted a video titled "Negative risk to reward may be profitable," and like it was premiering, right? And before the premiere, there's like a 2-minute timer. And before it had even started, someone had gone, "No, a negative RR doesn't work. It's like it's this," and it's just like mad. Like you haven't even watched the vid. Yeah, it's like the yeah. But chat, listen. 75 of you in here right now. Listen, make sure you drop a like on the stream. If you guys do want to become profitable within the next 90 days, I am opening up 8 more slots for my one-on-one program. So you can join the waitlist for that in the pinned link right there. Or you go to trls.io/waitlist. Sign up. If you don't become profitable within the next 90 days, I will give you $1,000 for free and coach you until you're profitable. That's a promise. It's literally risk-free for you guys. Either you get profitable and make bread, or you don't get profitable and I give you money for free. That's how confident I am in what I do. So click that link. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. Let me take that down. Guys, we're pushing down here. See, if you would have taken those buys, you would have got cooked right now. You would have been consistently getting cooked here. We swept Asia highs as well. To be honest, if the hourly does close bearish, I don't think sells are a terrible option. Fucking love to join. Click the waitlist then, gang. Yeah, we are pushing down here. Chat, I literally called that Asian high sweep to the fucking decimal point right there. I need to... You guys just need to get off my diesely, man. You don't understand. I'm not happy with that. I can visually understand session highs, lows, high and low sweeps now. W. It's really important, man. Oh my god, bro! I swear to God, I literally get 5,000 DMs every single day of I can give you 100,000 extra views a month using my promised, proven, trusted strategy. It's like, yeah, shush.
Fries bag immediately.
Yeah, put the fries in the bag, please. Oh, it was actually shit though, chat. Yesterday we went for food and Tom actually told the worker to put the fries in the bag. Like the worker was like, "Hi, how have you been? Have you had a nice day?" Tom went, "Shut the fuck up, just put the fries in the bag." It was horrible. I had to walk away. Like, I felt so bad. I didn't know, like, I didn't know you spoke to people like that. But
I'm just common. I'm common where the fries need to go.
no, he literally went, shut up, you peon. You're nothing to me. I earn your salary in a minute. Put the fries in the bag right this instant. And it was just this poor little Asian guy. Put les fraises dans le bag maintenant. Not nice, Tom. W, Tom. Very conflicted chat off that one. There's never ever a W, Tom moment. I don't think you've ever had one.
W Tom 1,000 times over.
Chat, this is interesting here. We've got so much potential. If this hourly or wait, let's look at the 15. I do think the 15 would also be good enough here. Just oh, nice little 15 closure above. Chat, by the way, I need your opinion. All right, what should I buy? Should I buy a new PC, like a mad spec PC? Or should I buy like the new MacBook? And before you get, I mean, I know what you guys are gonna say. It's situational, right? I'm pretty sure next year I want to go and like do, I don't know, a couple months in Miami, maybe a few months in Bali. I want to like travel around a bit more next year. So if I spend hella money on a PC, I'm not going to be able to take it with me, obviously, and then I'm going to have to get the new MacBook anyway.
Yeah, they do both serve very different purposes. But I guess, I mean, every single profitable trade I've taken, pretty much in my career, has been done from my laptop.
Yeah. Do you need a better PC? Probably. Yeah, I probably do at this point.
I think eventually you'll get both. It's just about which one do you get first.
Yeah, I guess. Maybe we should just spend like tonight or something, like clearing out my PC and shit, like making it, I don't know, optimized, and then we'll see if that works. Okay, the new MacBook is clean. Is the Pro out yet?
Yeah, there's a Pro version of this.
What's yours, M4?
Yeah. I don't know if you need it though, like honestly, like this.
Isn't it like 5 bags?
Nah man, but mine, this cost me about like £800-900.
What?
But that's what I'm saying, they're a very good deal this year.
Wait, what? No.
This is in euros, so you have to remember.
Yeah, but that's 2.2k. What storage do you have?
Probably just the bottom end for both.
What, even like RAM?
I don't know, I'm not sure what default was. I actually think this one has 500.
I like the convenience of 2 monitors. Well, I'll still keep this PC if I get a Mac, I guess. And the 2 monitors. 2 monitors is goated, right? I need 2 monitors. Even if I travel to Bali or wherever, I'm 100% gonna just, you know, you can just rent monitors. There's companies out there for digital nomads that just rent you like a monitor. They'll probably even rent you a PC, low-key.
You can get attachments for your...
Yeah, but that's pretty whack in my opinion.
Oh, it's just portable.
It just looks a bit nerdy though. Just like, hang on, let me get my MacBook out, and you just go, and then you unfold like screens from the back of it.
It does mean though, like you could, if you had internet connection, you could trade on the beach or something.
Yeah, that is true, but you also look like a giga nerd. Bro, you are a nerd? I'm literally level 10 Chad. Why are all of you talking about portable and foldable monitors? Guys. Like, that's just such an aura. That's literally going to put you in aura debt. You pull up to the beach club in front of the Huz, right? And you go, hang on a second. Let me just get out my workstation. And you just go, meep, meep. And then like you've got maybe like a, you would do that, like a gaming headset with the mic around there or something.
Well, do you know what it is? I'm there to make money, not to get bitches. I don't care what the broke Huz has to say.
15 closed bearish, by the way, chat. Who cares about social status if you're making generational wealth in front of the Huz?
Exactly.
It's not even just the Huz, man. I would just feel like a nerd. Doesn't the iPad work as a second screen? I'm pretty sure it does, you know.
What?
If you've got an iPad, I'm pretty sure you can use it as a second screen.
I'm sure you can. Apple are very good at their ecosystem.
How is the M4, like what? Oh, that's the 50, what's yours, the 13 inch?
Yeah.
Wait.
It's the smaller size of.
But I don't think there's a Pro out, is there? I thought it hadn't come out yet.
No, there will be.
No, it's not.
Is it not? This has been out for like a year now. Normally they roll the Pro out at the same time, or like maybe like a few months after. Yeah, this is the one I have. No, it's M3.
Yeah, this is the Pro. I think I want the Pro rather than the...
M4 is better than the Pro. We've already been over this.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a generation above.
Yeah, but isn't the Air just whack?
No. Bro, this laptop's better than your PC.
Oh wait, there is a MacBook Pro out. 14 inch M4 Pro chip. Wait, there's an M5 chip out now.
I don't know if it's out yet.
I mean, you can buy it here.
Might be pre-order.
M5 chip.
I've not heard of that.
What about the competition? Can you get the M4 comp? You may as well just buy an M4 comp. I swear Apple only works well with Apple stuff. Yeah, that is true, no? I mean, nah, monitors is fine with. Look at gold now. Oh my god, it's in the same place it was an hour ago. Literally the exact same place it was an hour ago. Hasn't moved. Can I go back to NQ now, Jay? Do I have your permission? The hourly might close bearish on NQ. Maybe we take the sells to fill the range back down here, chat. Because remember, NQ on the weekly and daily is actually bearsky. I like it.
Bullish for me.
Huh?
Bullish on the daily for me.
Nah, the bias is bear. I mean,
Oh, I think that's just a candle.
nah, man. It's classic ICT PO3. Buy above the daily, no, sell above the daily open. And then you hold it until daily lows. Yeah, shut up. Actually, how about that?
I'm gonna trade that GSE strategy.
All you need to do to make money with this ICT PO3 strategy is wait for the daily open. Buy below the daily open after an inverse fair value gap. And then hold it for 3-to-1 risk to reward. I'm pretty sure that's actually an ICT model. Like, he just says, yeah, hold it for 3-to-1 risk to reward. What does that even mean, bro? Like, okay, I'm going to hold it for 3-to-1 risk to reward, but my stops are 1 tick. Bro hit the... She said she was 12. Oh, chat, you know who me and Tom have been, like, inspired by recently? I'll show you guys. Give me a sec. This guy's intergenerational. Can it just... Can I... Oh, TikTok. TikTok on PC is terrible.
Oh, mate, he is the GOAT.
He actually is the GOAT. Unironically. Oh, wait. No way. Okay. Wait. Let me pause this music quickly. This guy. Chat. This is top tier content right here.
3, 4, 5.
How does he do it so fast? I don't get it.
Bro, unironically...
This is the same guy that made up all of the slang words as well, isn't it?
Yeah. I did the world's slowest... wait, let me find this one. This is just...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Bro, he's actually so quick though. Unironically, he's quite fast.
3, 4, 5.
Mate,
1,
that's horrible. I would
2,
hate that.
3.
Yeah, that is not good. Where was the one that... Bro. This has got 2 million views nearly.
He's blowing up.
This is the state of TikTok nowadays. Is like, that gets 2 million views, but like educational content gets like literally nothing. It's actually insane, chat.
He's capitalizing. Like he's had one video that's gone nuclear, and now he's just making a 6-7 video like 2-3 times a day.
Same guy who made streams private because we aren't serious enough. Yeah, it's actually true. That's bro's cardio for the day. Unironically, he's pretty speedy at it. Guys, we have an hourly close here in 7 minutes. I think we're either going to get a position on this hourly close or we're going to get it on NYSE Open. I will stay for both. Remember, guys, I'm streaming for the rest of this week, Monday to Friday, on YouTube. So make sure you click subscribe if you're not already. Turn those noties on as well, because after this week, it's going to be like random days when I'm streaming. Probably Mondays and then like maybe a random day throughout the week. Make sure you turn the notifications on because a lot of you guys don't have them on and that means you miss videos. There's a new video coming out this afternoon. You might miss it. I'm literally changing lives over here. Like the people who are locked in and watching all the content. It's funny, the names that I see every single day, either commenting or liking or just being in chat on stream, are the ones who become profitable. Like the people who I see getting payouts are the ones who've been here since day one and been active. The people who I see becoming profitable, making money and passing accounts are always the ones who are in the comments. So there's a literal direct correlation between how much you show up and watch the content to becoming profitable. And the reason is because it's actually helping you. It's actually educational. And I've been through it myself. So you'd be retarded to not turn up to every video, every stream, turn up in the free Discord. It's just stupid. You're costing yourself bread. I don't think we have a full trading week because of Thanksgiving. Thank you. Oh yeah, it is. American Bank Holiday Thursday. Not Friday though. Friday's fine. So it's only Thursday off. Helps with consistency as well. I used to trade for a week or two, then give up. Been trading for 6 months now. W. Streams you get to learn on the live markets. I pick up something all the time. Exactly. It's literally unfucking replaceable. Irreplaceable, that's the word. Ooh. Chat, look at this shit too. The other day the sky was a paid actor in my video. Look at this sky, man.
Oh, are you using your phone?
No.
Can I,
Look at this, chat.
can I send myself those pictures?
Yeah. Gym today? Yeah, I think we will, right?
Yeah. I need to get another membership though.
Maybe we can sneak you in.
For the next 3 days.
Yeah. What are you guys training today? If you're hitting the gym, what are you hitting? Bring the range to an Asda car meet, yeah? Bro, it's so funny. It would smoke everything. Fame got to his head? Bro, I can't follow... 50,000 people follow me. I can't follow everyone back. Right arm. What's good, Ja? How's it going, my bro? Legs? Legs is grim. Back, thighs, abs. Fingers. Fingers is crazy. Toes? Bro's hitting toe day at the gym. That might be a bit out of order, I can't lie. Chat. Can we get some volume here pre-MY? Should we just take a trade for the fun of it? On my way back from chest? Nice. Yo, low-key chat, I've been exhausted recently. Like, I get to the gym and I'm just shattered. I don't know why it is. Boy, SG boy, that shit real workout works. My old ass was on for 4.5 hours, no drugs, no nothing. Push-ups daily. What does that mean? That shit real workout. 1 hour sky dwelly. If it closes bullish. I'm hitting deer today. I can see the difference and people can't do too. Yeah, like the gym is a life changer. Everyone who, especially at my old gym in the UK, everyone who went to the gym, like, not everyone obviously, but the majority of people who are successful are hitting the gym regularly. Picked my girl up and wrestled for 4 hours? Crazy. That's insane. I'm 50, she's 42. Ah. You love to see it. Posted the certificate in the Discord. The payout. Let's go, man. That is a W, Mr. Meat. Little 300 smackaroos. Don't say it's nothing big. That's a lot of money. Chat, we might get the hourly flip here. We might be able to take some sells after sweeping these Asia highs. 2 minutes till close, chat. 2 minutes till close. Can it hang around there, chat? I think these sells might be decent. Yeah. Swept Asian highs. Alright, up here. Put stops above there. TP down towards... I mean, you can even just take it towards the fill of the range, right? What you don't want is this to rip right now. You need it to pull back a tiny bit. Still close bearish. Make a top wick first, chat. That's what we want right now. I think this looks good. Unironically, I think this looks pretty good. What's good, Blizzy? How's it going, man? First feels so special? Yeah, definitely, man. First payouts. The first payout is when it all begins, really, because that's when you know it's like possible, you know what I mean? Like you've got money into your bank account from trading. That's why I always say like the first payout should always be like the moment you can request it. Don't try and get anything different, even if it's $100, all right? Just so that you know that it's actually possible. You can get money into your bank account from trading, and from there the motivation is going to be different, the belief is going to be different, and it becomes so much easier. Oh, chat, pull back here, leave a wick for me. Leave a wick for me, baby. What do I need to see here? So I know, that's why we need to pull back. No, I'm going to do stops above those PM highs that you spoke about before. Yeah. Yeah, that's true actually. Chat, I'm going to jump in a sell here right now. Jumped in sells right now off this candle close. Stops are going to be above this high right here. And TP is going to be down towards the bottom of the range. If it comes up to make a wick first, that's fine. What I'll probably do is take it on a different eval if it comes up to make a wick here. But yeah, chat, just jumped in sells off of this 1 hour closure here. Closing bearish on NQ after taking Asian highs. Looks extremely good for me. Break even will probably be somewhere like here. Oh my days, I'm under risked on this a little bit. I'm under risked a little bit. So what I'll do is if we do come up to make a top wick somewhere around here, I'll stack maybe another like 5 micros. Something like that. Yeah, that'll be fine. Yeah, I'm in. Wouldn't this be a trade against the trend? No, I don't think so. I think we're consolidating here. I think this is an inter-range play right now. Main confluence here is that we swept Asia highs as well. Oh, actually, I think B should be actually here. It's just a really strong rejection, right, on that candle close. Chat, since I'm under risk, right, I'm gonna stack another 5 micros there. All right, but if you're risked appropriately, then you don't need to do that.
Range play.
No, yeah.
It's only an inter-range play based on where your TP is, but it's fine.
Let's see, chat.
The only way I see us, getting a breakout and then eventually getting stopped is you have the 3 equal highs there, which usually means there's quite a lot of resting liquidity, right?
Yeah.
So I think that's why TP at the PM highs is probably going to be smarter.
I sell there, you mean? You mean stop loss there?
Don't you to go.
MRC in 30 minutes? Yeah. It's a pre-market play. Can we flip here, chat? To be honest, now that we've come up a little bit, if we do flip and break the lows, I'll be BE on the break of this low here.
Where did you get average out to?
Average entry is 24,503. Some of you guys might get a better entry than me, right? If you do, then good. I want you guys to have a better entry than me, obviously.
I also, to be honest, I still think we go lower. I think we want to sweep that previous month low, which is like a lot further down. We're talking about 158.
Yeah. I just don't see a reason why you'd sweep Asian highs right now and then reject like that if it wasn't going to come further down.
My bias for the day has been bearish.
Yeah, same. For NQ's most volatile open? Yeah, I know.
That is true. Your most amount of scariness comes on the open, it just can't sit in a direction.
Yeah, this is true. But that open does also follow PA, right? Like, it doesn't just, it's not just random. What did the 5 do? 5 closed bullish, bottom wick first, which is not good, really. Like I said, chat, I'm only taking this on 1 PA, really, risking 1%. So if I lose, it doesn't really make a difference. But again, I think this is valid. Yeah.
Not money, but to be honest, I actually care more about my eval at the minute because it's $240 worth of evals.
Oh shit, yeah.
It's actually more expensive than my PAs, weirdly.
Yeah. That is interesting. Let's see, chat. The good thing about trading multiple PAs is as well, like if you do end up taking a loss, right? What you just do is you switch to a different PA account and then you can take a win on that one and then you're still up for the day. How come SL is not matching the sell position indicator? Oh, sorry.
That's the one that's that broke structure on the one.
Let's see, chat. This 5 can flip, you should be good here. 5 flip and close below the level would be really, really nice. For me, it's just a logical like understanding of why would you sweep Asia highs and then reject like that if you weren't going to continue down. If this flips, the confidence level in the trade goes up monumentally, obviously. Alright, mate, you do that.
I'm gonna leave the laptop though. The laptop on the sink plays. I'm having to face that one out. It's a bit ridiculous.
Bro's taken his laptop into the toilet so many times to manage a trade before. It's hilarious. 5 reflipping here, chat. Well, not reflipping, but the 1 reflipped. Need some volume here, chat, as well. Only thing that is like maybe slightly wrong about this trade is that it's pre-NY. But I quite like trading pre-NY. How's bro not gone pink eye? No clue. Strategy, support and resistance. Support and resistance price action. It's called the TRLS strategy. If you want to learn it, I have lots of videos on my channel. Or you can click the link in the pinned comment. Re-breaking the highs, chat. I mean, to be honest, it looks like we have a price action mirror here as well. Maybe you have to come up and sweep these highs first, who knows? Do you have a TRLS decal coming for the whip? No, I need to do that low-key though. I'm very tempted to put a TRLS decal on it, yeah. It depends, Rentero. Just check, like, put a limit order here, like that. That's why you see me doing this, and then check your risk. I'm risking 1% on this. It's very interesting to me that we swept Asian highs and then rejected, and then are now pushing back up. It's really, really strange to me. We've got a 5-minute close here in like 20 seconds. I don't know why you'd need to retake these highs though as well. Did the 5 close no top? Oh shit. The 5 close no top wick, which is good. Stops. Stops are above the high at 24,568. Yeah, we might hit stops here, chat. We might hit stops to 1%. So be it. If that's the case, then that's the case. It's very weird to me. It doesn't really make any sense whatsoever, but there we go. That'll be my first loss like in like 2 weeks probably. Four-hour close is in 49 minutes. Interesting. If this flips, you should pop down here. If this hit stops, I won't jump off. I'll probably wait till NYC open, see if we can grab another position here. I won't take another trade on this account though. That'll be done for this account for the day, right? That makes sense? NYC open might go straight down. We might not even see NYC open, bro. It might be out by then. Looks like we might get stopped out here. Low-key, I've been way overdue a loss. Like, I haven't had a loss in like probably 2-3 weeks. The 5 closed no top wick though. Imagine this 5 flips. I saw it when the 5-minute closed like it did. Maybe. This trade is doomed. So, not mysterious, so dramatic. What the actual fuck? What the actual fucking? What's that aimed at? Don't worry, I told the market to sort it out and go down already. Fire. Thank you, man. It's too late for magnets. It might be too late for the magnets, fellas. Trade idea was good though? Yeah, obviously. I mean, it was an A+ setup. Just sometimes they don't... I mean, look, we haven't even hit stops yet. But sometimes they don't play out, chat. If this 5 flips, you're still in with a chance of surviving. How's NQ compared to GC? I mean, it moves a lot more. Especially recently, GC's just been stuck in this consolidation range, right? Yeah, chat, I think we're cooked here. And chat, that stops hit on that one there. So that's the first L on stream in months. And the first L I've taken personally in like 2 weeks. But guess what, chat? I risked 1% on 1 PA, so I could not care less. All right, and what we can do now... Did you close early? No. What we can do now is we can flip the script. So let's say NYSE closes bullish. We can look for the buys, right? It doesn't really make any sense why I did that, but there we go. Chat, GG's nonetheless, right? That was a well-managed trade there. Let me add it to the stream record. That is our 16th loss ever on stream. Holy shit. Trade's taken. NQ sells minus 60 points. Oh. Was it minus 60 points? Yeah. Still don't understand why it's done that, but fairs. I mean, sometimes, chat, this is the problem, right? With, I mean, not the problem, but this is what happens in trading. Sometimes everything can be aligned, everything can be perfect, and you take an L. Like, sometimes it happens, man. But like I said, right? As long as you manage risk appropriately, chat, it doesn't really make a difference. It's good to see you transparent with your losses too. The fact you have a loss count. Yeah, imagine I just had a win count. That would be crazy. Can't win them all. Even I can't win them all, chat. No. Done for the day, boys. Peace. All right, man, in a bit. Chat, that's got to be the first loss on stream in a long, long time. Nonetheless, 15 closed above here. Oh, my days. That actually looks quite good. I'm going to give it some time, though, chat. I'm going to give it some breathing space here. I don't want to just jump straight back in another position. Like, I do think this looks valid right now for buys, but yeah. I would rather wait. Especially because I'm coming off the back of an L just now, chat, you know? It's like, it's one of those ones. And it's going to reject one. Now, watch that. Anyone say they can win them all? You want to run so hard and never look back? Yeah, trust me. If you saw my last message, can you ask Tom what indicator he uses for session highs and lows? ICT kill zones and pivots. God, that hurts me saying that.
I don't know why it's called that, though, because it is just session highs. I don't think ICT can claim session highs.
Yeah. Yeah, there's specific settings, Tom says.
The indicator's so chopped without it.
Bro, 60-point move is 278, right? It's 278 ticks, 60 points. They're different things.
You have actually just had a perfect rate in retest.
Yeah, I know. It looks good. Chat, if you do want to take these buys right now, feel free, right? I'm just not going to because I don't want to revenge trade this. I don't think it is a revenge trade, but I want to set a good example. Also, 30-minute and hourly has no bottom wick, right? Which is kind of difficult here.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Like, to be honest, I don't think the trade you took is invalidated yet.
No,
I just think, like, based on size and stops, it's like something difficult to hold. You know, you're essentially just banking on is it going to come and grab that no bottom wick?
yeah.
If it comes and does that, then it, like, you know, the trade has actually played out.
I know, yeah. Sometimes it happens. Like, it's just the game, unfortunately. It's just how it works. But we have NYSE open here in what, 11 minutes? Potentially we can grab something off of there, right?
Like, I'm still, I don't know, I'm still just kind of getting bearish vibes. Maybe I'm like ripping up right now, but I don't know.
Just the vibes.
I do kind of just get the feeling that we're bearish.
I mean, if this hourly flips, I think it rips down here.
It's an intuition, discretion play.
Guys, you see how right now I have a smile on my face? I'm not worried. I'm not stressed. I'm not, fuck's sake, man. It's gonna do this and then reject. Fuck. Like, it's just a trade. 1% on 1 PA. It doesn't matter, you know? Like, none of these losses actually matter. Even if this comes back down and goes back into profit, I could not care less. Like, literally could not care less, because at the end of the day, that's how you have to be. You know, obviously, yeah, that would have been way better if it was a win. Trust me, I would love that way more. But it wasn't. So be it. We move on, right? It's not about each individual trade. It's about like whether you're profitable over an X amount of time. Like I said, I've taken 13K in payouts this month. So that one loss is not really going to affect me too much. And even if you haven't done that, right, to make it more relatable to you guys, even if you haven't taken crazy payouts this month, what is that one loss going to do? Nothing really. Now we got a 15 and a 30-minute arguing with each other, right? Did you have stops above those highs? Session highs?
Yeah.
PM highs?
Yeah.
So you're still in?
Yeah.
Nice.
But I was like, I've only risked it with 0.5%.
What time frame is the trade based off of? Hourly. It's an hourly sky dweller, bearish. I still think it pushes. Yeah, look at this. To come to get us. And this is why we didn't take the buys either as well. I also don't think it was invalid to have my stops above those highs. You know what I mean?
Where did you have them?
Asia highs.
Yeah. It's a double top. Like, if we blew through that, we were going to blow through the PM ones.
Well, normally you don't need to sweep Asia highs twice. You don't need to go like bang and then bang again. Normally, like, it's one sweep and that's it. Because the liquidity's already been grabbed.
Like, it was a risky play. I only moved my stops to the PM highs because I thought I'm in on 2 micros.
Oh, that brings me down to 5K profit on this Traderify. I was pretty close to a payout. Oh no! I should have risked 0.5%. Nah, you're on an eval. 0.5% is ridiculous. What the fuck this beat right now? Ask my boy Will.
Is anyone still in this? Oh no. I had my... Oh, no. Where is it on Sam's thing? I had my stops here. But I've only risked in 0.5%. So like this is 250. I'll still be about. If anything, you're gonna see my face more because my streams in the morning, I'll have a face cam. I won't just be streaming off my laptop. And I'm gonna be pumping out content as well. So you're probably actually gonna see more of me, if anything. Yeah. I've got like lots and lots of things planned. I've just sort of been waiting on, going home to do it, just because I'm gonna find it easier to create content when I've got my PC rather than doing it off of my laptop. I did try recording a video on here, but it's just, I don't want to put anything out that I think's like rubbish quality. Like, I wouldn't have watched my own video, so I wouldn't expect you guys to. So I'm just gonna wait until I'm back home to make them, so I can make them good.
Full margin now until he's back. What?
Since day one, they've wanted me to pull all their accounts.
These guys are ops. Actual ops. What's good, Cytazine? Welcome, man. Why don't you move your PC? What, out here? Tom's, right?
Oh, I will
when he moves.
Yeah. I really want that place downstairs.
Yeah.
So bad.
Lost my last funded last week. Gonna have a break for short-term trading Forex for now. Feels nice to take a break, being overall profitable this time around. Yeah, W, Tom. That's good stuff. Why don't you check out futures props, man? They're way easier. Forex props are ridiculous. Oh, guys. Oh, guys. These bloody cells. Now, we'll see what the 30-minute does. Gold making some bearish structure too now. What?
Look at this. Their official Instagram. Like, not even TGR is doing it. Like,
Yeah, but he wouldn't. That's not a good thing. That's like a employee thing. I wouldn't do that. If they paid me to do that, I wouldn't do that.
no.
No way. 0% chance.
There's such exposure there.
No, it's not. What makes futures easier? Easier profit targets, cheaper barrier to entry, cheaper accounts, obviously. You don't front run the cost. Like with a Forex prop, you're paying X amount up front. With futures, you pay after you pass. Like, that's like me saying to you, look, I don't know, go bet on these horse races and you can pay me after if you win.
You know,
It's easy.
Forex accounts once they're passed.
Yeah.
Jay was telling me that there's no rules.
Oh, there is rules.
Like after the phase 2. It's just like basically a live account.
No, that's not true.
I was thinking that seems crazy.
When I switched over to futures, I wish I did it so much sooner, so much better than Forex. Yeah, it's crazy. Guys, who's still in this?
I never traded Forex. Don't know if I ever will.
Forex live accounts, in my opinion, are better. Actually, I don't know. I haven't really ever traded with futures. Which futures prop do you use? Oh, chat, I forgot to tell you guys. Currently, there's a 25% off sale with Alpha Futures right now, which is pretty crazy. So if you do want to grab an account, make sure you use code TRLS for that. Jamie, I use Apex, which you can use code TRLS. Alpha Futures code TRLS. Top Step, I have no code. Trade, if I have no code, but I use those four. My Forex prop profit works about 11k spent on accounts and 33k payouts. That's W, bro. That's a lot. Unfortunately, I got tapped out. Yeah, same.
To be fair, it's still bullish on every time frame bar though. Well, everything below the 30 is bullish and everything above the 30 is bearish. Look at the 5-minute structure just looks absolutely awful. So.
Still good that I didn't extend the stops. Fucked me up before. Yeah, well, if we extended stops, there was no reason to, right? The 5-minute closed above. It looked like we switched for buys, and we still probably have. Like, this could definitely just be a higher low being made right here. In my all-time stats, some negative ticks. Yeah, I mean, that's understandable. Like, you probably will end up being negative ticks. If you count all prop firm accounts, like if you count evaluations as well, like you would probably, yeah, be negative ticks, but it doesn't really matter. You know, chat, the funny thing is you can have a negative You can be negative in terms of ticks collected, but you can be profitable. How crazy is that?
Negative RR. Yeah, you trade negative RR, and you're profitable.
I don't always trade negative RR, it's a mix. But yeah. On Top Step, I've been banging negative RR.
Yeah, you have to be.
Because I only need a $200 day. So why would I like, dunno. Signed a deal last week that pays me $300 a month and 5% revenue on an online shop. Every month I'm using that money to open prop accounts. This is going to my UK bank. W. Or put a third of it on the academy and a third of it and the rest of it on props. And then you become profitable and you have prop accounts. Simple. Revenge trading coming? No way. Chat, if we would have taken that 5-minute trade there, you would have got cooked. Like, actually cooked. That would have been 2 losses in a row, and then you are actually pissed.
This 30-minute open is going to decide my fate.
Oh, I think you'll be good.
That's still very bearish. Oh, bullish.
Look at gold. Gold's actually flipped bearish. What's the difference between the one-on-one and the community? Well, the community's the community, right? You get streams just like the YouTube stream every day. And with the one-on-one, you get the course, you get one-on-one calls with me. There's also a private Discord with like only the one-on-one students. You get my personal phone number. So like you can reach me every day. Like for example, Danny will just shoot me a message being like, yo, I'm looking at this trade, should I take it? I'll be like, maybe not, because look at this or look at that. And he'll go like, okay, cool. Or Renter will do that, or someone else will do it, right? And it's just a good bit of accountability. Or maybe you say like, I'm looking to FOMO, or I feel like I'm trading emotionally. And I can be like, bro, get off the charts right now. That's a good shout. I start receiving payments from February, so I'll join then. And the first account, I'll trade it like you. Smart. Yo, I had your phone number too, but I lost it. Well, yeah. You're never getting it back. This wants to flip. 2 hour could close bearish. 2 hour closes in 30 minutes. 30 minutes closing respecting the level. If you're still in this, I think this is not terrible. It's not the best. It could go either way. Course isn't in the academy. No, there's a course in the academy, yeah. I forgot to say that. The course is great, like really, really good, but to a level, right? The one-on-one, ask any of the one-on-one students. I think they'll tell you that the course is amazing, but the one-on-one like stuff, working through issues together is what really takes it over the line. Oh, NYC popping up here, guys. NYC opening right now. It looks like we do want to rip up here. Unless it retaps and flips. It's currently got no bottom wick really on the 30. You did close respecting the level. Oh, you might be good here, guys. If this can flip and continue down. Holy volume. I know, NYC. Oh.
Oh my god. It's just all over the place right now.
It just needs to pick a direction.
My trading view can't even keep up.
What?
Looks like it's big bullish.
But yeah, if you guys do want to join the one-on-one, right? And you want to become profitable within 90 days guaranteed, click the top link in the pinned comment. Alright? Go to https:/trls.io/waitlist and you can sign up there. We are, or I am, I don't know why I always say we in the third person, but it always just means me. I'm taking on like 8 new students, 2 slots already taken. So yeah, if you do want to get access to that, it's very, very important that you sign up on the waitlist because slots will be gone very quickly. Pretty sure we have like over 40 people on the waitlist right now.
I got stopped.
You got stopped? How?
Yeah, after that I moved back to the London.
Oh my days. Yeah, maybe this hourly can give us something nice here, chat.
Because my theory was if you couldn't retap the
NQ might pop. Trump said Nvidia going to sell chips to China. That's pretty crazy if so, no?
Yeah.
That's very bullish.
Yeah, I wonder if it's got stopped on.
Not quite. Now, yeah. I don't know, I thought you might have survived. But yeah. See chat, GG's. So we had stops in the right position anyway, right? Stops were in the right position. We literally we closed the trade right here. And obviously we are ripping up right now. So even though we took an L, we managed risk appropriately, saved ourselves from a much bigger loss, which is the important thing, right? Very, very important.
That's why you just low-key can't be in a position on the open of NYSE. It's too much.
Yeah.
Like being in on news.
The 1-on-1 over how many months? It's until you become profitable. So it's like however long it takes. I mean, it doesn't stop when you become profitable either, right? It's just like eventually you don't need me anymore, and you know, eventually you start making crazy money and you stay in the Discord, you stay access to everything. Maybe we just don't have one-on-one calls as often, right? But that's a good thing to have. At the end of the day, I want my students to get to the point where they don't need me, you know? Got in the second I saw the news 5 minutes ago. Wow. Good shit, W7. It's fundamental trading right there. I don't really do much of that. And longs, what's a good TP? Where we are right now is a rejection area, so you could take a partial here and go BE, or otherwise ride it to 840.
That's ridiculous though. I mean, like a size of that candle.
It's the one-on-one unlimited Discord access in the academy. What do you mean? Yeah. If you join the one-on-one, you get access to everything, obviously, but like you get the academy as well and everything, of course. That'd be crazy if I was like, nah, you got to also pay for the academy. Nah, you get lifetime in the academy as well. Glad I was able to catch the pop, but I had to stop in and then let you know. Yeah, nah, W, bro, W. That's really good. We are ripping here, chat. But chat, the good thing is you saved yourself hella bread right there, right? We got in a position from here, and you saved yourself money because our stops were down here. All right? It's all about having adequate stops. I'm in full margin, 1600 Connies. W. 5 closing bullish here, chat. This is a mega 5 candle. What's gold doing? Flipping bull. Interesting. Chat, I'll stay on for this hourly, and then if we don't get anything off this hourly close, we'll call it a day.
This is crazy because this is going to close probably with no wicks outside.
Yeah. The 5 did close, like no top, no bottom wick. Chat, I'm gonna have to do some engagement bait here, alright? It's gotta be done. But I honestly do think a retest back down into this level would be really nice. It wouldn't have given us a buy setup either, really. I mean, maybe the 15 closure above. What a trade, SG. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Yeah, those are the buys we were looking for at the beginning, but it kind of just faked us out there. I mean, we essentially got caught in a fake out. It is what it is. Is the 5 gonna flip? Oh my days. Just to be clear, I only enter off the fundamentals. I had no technical entry or setup. Crazy. Did the old switcheroony on ya? The old dick twist. Yeah, man. Absolutely rotted, chat. Tis ripping. Tis the night before Ripmas and all around the house. Not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. Twist his dick! It's a generational video. Chat, remember, I'm going to be streaming for the rest of this entire week, right? So stay tuned, stay focused, stay locked in. What days NYC? Yeah, mental. That's why we have a stop. Imagine someone just had no stops on their cells. Just get immediately rascalated. I think 702 might be a level here as well. Now that I see this on the chart, it's definitely one on the 30, right? Look at this rejection area on the 30 here. And look at what we're actually rejecting off of it now as well. So maybe we have a pullback here, chat, and we can get something to fill the range up after NYC cools down a little bit. Oh, I need to change my lock screen. Turn on the music? Yeah, of course, my bad. Need to wait for some closures here, chat. You got another 5 closures shortly. This current 5's flip bearish. Need a pullback. Nah, make the music drown out the stream. I didn't know it was that loud, my bad. God, you guys.
You can turn it down.
Yeah. Turn it down on their end, not on mine. Yeah, man. I don't know if I like that, actually. I got accidentally entered into a buy stop but closed out because it wasn't intentional. Imagine if I held on to that. Imagine, but also imagine if you held on to it and it rejected heavily, right? Can do both things. Chat, imagine I made a bill right now. 15 closing in 5 minutes here, chat. Safe to say there's 15 if we get a bottom weight, could be nice. The hourly still could flip. Imagine if the hourly flipped. Should have, could have, would have. Yep. Yeppers. What do you know about yeppers, man? Not much by the sound of things. We're rejecting. Chat. Degen time? Nah, not yet. I'm still locked in here. I'm still looking for another position. Oh my days. That 1 minute's well interesting.
That is crazy.
Yeah, it's insane.
It looked like I don't know why it does that as well. Like it makes all that effort. Like it kind of gives you the vibe. Like, oh, okay, this is gonna flip, and then just boom, it open. I suppose it's the session open, isn't it?
Yeah.
I do like the look of the 1 minute structure though. Like just with how the wicks are forming.
For buys?
No, for shorts.
Fuck that. Shorts are ridiculous here. Unless it flips.
So, like, I don't know, you just take notice of the wicks.
Yeah. Please, SG, please. Gold has been ranging like its life depends on it. Yeah, I know. It's ridiculous. Stop looking to yam and it tanks. Is it tanking? Oh my god, it is a little bit, yeah. Still within the range though. 2 hour close on NQ as well in 18 minutes here. That'll be the play. Five trying to flip as well. This is crazy, chat. Crazy, crazy, crazy PA. Holy schmeckles. Couple of schmeckles.
Holy schmidleys.
Schmidley. Oh, not Schmidley. Schmidley might come and move in, low key. Yeah, this is pretty crazy here, chat. 5 ripping back up. So indecisive right now. This is just insane. Bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Let's see what this 15 close does here in like 2 minutes. I figured out the tiny hat thing. Nice. Did you call Phil? Oh, shit. Why didn't Phil let us know he was coming to work early?
We can never catch up.
I know what happened, SG. We've made the reverse Bart Simpson on the 5 minute. Oh, fuck. We have as well. Not the reverse Bart. That's never good. Oh my days. Holy volume, chat. It's not even dying down either. It's absolutely ripping about. I'm a big fan of this little like turquoise green with the purple. I think that's quite nice. Bish bosh, 5 flip again. Yeah, flips bearish, flips bullish, flips bearish, flips bullish. Who knows, chat? Who bloody well knows? Ask Tom about the volume profiles. Oh no, don't talk to him about volume profiles. Super excited for the Raw Talk. Yeah, chat, I got a new YouTube video coming out in a couple of hours as well. Which is going to be sick. Make sure you go check that out. PO3. Oh my days. Bitcoin manipulating? What's it doing? Oh my fucking days. Oh, chat, don't talk to me about Bitcoin unless it's going up. From now on, that's the new rule in stream. No Bitcoin mention unless it's going upwards. Alright, thank you. I like my women like I like my SG videos. Raw. Raw, long, and at night. You like your women long? Personally, I don't like my women long. That's insane, no? We're ripping down here, chap. Bearish strucky on the 1. Was this the almighty manipulation here? Is it now going to be the flip of doom? Holy liquidity though, realistically, chat, like it gets to a point. You got that much liquidity, right? And it's like, nope, that's not enough. We need to quadruple it. Sick. 15 just closed here. Bottom wick first on the open. Pushing up, he's got a wick to fill. 5 closed bearish though. The past 2 5s closed bearish actually.
You just couldn't call this right now.
Nah, it's ridiculous. This is untradeable right now, chat. Woman is 2 words for Danny. Woo man. Danny's favorite city is Bangkok. Retarded RPA. How do we have more likes than viewers? That's actually crazy. 46 viewers, 48 likes. The pip and dippers after that trade. Generational. Done for the day. We took a loss. Price just doing its own thing now. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this hourly close and then we'll see. W stat. Yeah, that's a fucking crazy stat. There shall be no pip and dip. Commandment number 1. Chat, drop a like on the stream. Let's try and outdo it again, right? Got 52 viewers, 49 likes. Let's try to get to 53 likes right now. Try and make it more than the... That's quite funny. It doesn't really do anything for me, but it's just funny. We're like 3 or 4 off. Negative RR, but positive like to viewer ratio. Can't complain, eh? Trust me. Oh, wow. 5 flip incoming. Potentially 15 flip 2, eh? I can't short this though because we're mad bullish now. The mega bulls. I said bull, not bulls. Maybe the mega bulls. Chat, this is insane. We're literally like flip-flopping around on the 1 minute here. Bullish on the 1 hour, but super bearish on the daily. I know, bro, I know. I agree. It's good, Kenzie. It's a problem, right? I've got mega bulls. I'm not sure about that. 55, we're on 55 likes, 48 viewers. It's crazy. Someone just put a dot in the chat. Not sure what that means too much, but there we are. Wow, 2 dots, 3 dots. What's going on? I'm waiting for the 4 dot. Yeah, there it is from Kenzie. Meower lol. What a name. Is that you on your burner? Oh, Mark's just alpha mailed you all out of the equation right there with that one. A gazillion dotties. If you're from the UK, dotty is a slang for a shotgun. Yeah, Mark's skipping dots. I know. I'm not sure we can have that one, chat. We're flipping here. Flipping out. Can we get a closure above 649 and then a bottom wick on the open of the hourly and then a flip and then we take the position and then we take it up to the top of the range and we call it a day, get your payout, and that's it. When a top step, we're going to approve my payout, huh? Now, please. I swear I have another payout with top step on the way. Or am I tripping? Oh my days. Big rejecty here, chat. Remember the hourly's still got no bottom wick, right? This could have been the liquidity. I'm muted. Not anymore.
More micro though. I just had a feeling.
Ah, yeah. The hopes and dreams chat. Yeah, chat, this is kind of crazy. I think this is a higher low being made, personally. This 1 minute flips, it should... I mean, we'll see, chat. You've got 10 minutes here to the hourly close. This is insane. Honestly, crazy work. And video going down now. Imagine Trump was like, yeah, nah, by the way, I'm just joking. Just fucking with you guys. Wait. Did I get my top step payout? What? I did. It's kind of interesting. Chat, this is just playing some games here right now. Ripping down. 5 minute flipped, reflipped, flipped, reflipped. About 50 times. One minute, coming back up. What is it doing here, man? This is just insane. Like, honestly, crazy work. It's literally like belly flopping around. Let's see what happens with this 15 close, chat. Wait, so did I... Oh, what the fuck? I'm so confused. Oh, yeah, I did. Alright, fair. 13-minute time frame looks good. Devious work from you, Danny. Let's look at the 13-minute right now. Yeah. Oh my god, it actually does look good. Like, unironically, that actually does look quite good. Chat, buys look nice here. Let's just see what we can do. If we can close above here in the next, like, 6 minutes, I think buys look great. Told you, bro? Yeah, you're actually right. Five-minute close in a minute and a half. 1 minute is sort of just consolidating here, though. I think there's a lot of potential here, chat. If this hourly closes above 24,657, no, 24,649, sorry, we'll take the buys. I would like a bottom wick, but I think that might have been it.
It's crazy price action.
Yeah, it's pretty mental, PA.
Whoa.
What's gold doing? Wait, gold's pushing back up now. What is going on, chat? It's very interesting.
I saw 150 on that short, so I was like,
Yeah.
maybe you sold it.
Was it PA?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I was thinking of closing, but we were just so bearish for a bit, and then it just flipped and took me out, like, before I could even really think about it.
Yeah, I did say it was probably a lower, high low. I think this pushes up now.
Yeah, I agree.
I think we just run bullish the rest of the day until the top of the range. But I would like to see it close above these levels here.
I get the feeling that we're going to come a teeny bit lower, though, and then go back up.
Hmm.
Because this 5 in the 15 are just giving me the massive vibe of I want to flip. Look at the length of the candlestick, that are the wicks.
Yeah. 5 closed bullish, but kind of weak. Yeah, big top wick. Chat, we have 5 minutes here. I'll be back in 2 secs. Stay locked in.
Oh, fuck. I got tap BE on that. Oops. I probably should have closed, not gonna lie. Nah, not now. I just got tap BE on a position. I had shorts like, I don't know, maybe here. Came back up, tapped me. I did see a little bit of profit, but not enough.
Ah, this is what they like to call the nonsense PA.
Yeah.
Nah, honestly though, this is a 5-minute sky dweller technically. It's not strong enough to take, but you've got 3 minutes to the hourly close, chat. 3 minutes. Looks like we might close above here, chat. T Schmizzle should be Tom's new handle. T Schmizzle Futures. I'm not sure about T Schmidley. Gold 5 minute no bottom wick and swept the highs. Yeah, nah. Gold looks bullish for me. 2 minutes to the close on NQ, chat. If it doesn't close above here right now, right in this moment, in the next 2 minutes, I'm done for the day. Let's see, chat. And it needs to give us a bottom wick as well, preferably.
I just hate this fucking no bottom wick on the hourly.
Yeah, but once it closes, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I suppose.
Oh! Oh, Manacadabra. We have stop loss below hourly low, probably below structure. Somewhere like this. Something like this, chat. It will look something like that. Nice little retest into like fucking 59.1. Right? And then I don't even know if you're gonna do that, to be honest. I don't know if you'll come back down that far.
The 5 clears the size. Oh my lord.
Yeah.
Win the money.
Long stream today, wow? Yeah, man. I need to revenge trade my loss. I'm joking. Oh my days, it's literally the gobbledygook PA. Just absolute nonsensical price action. "46 seconds, chat, lock it in." Bro, why'd you do that?
You need to do that, man. You're on. We're just in the consolidation here.
This looks good. I like this.
The 1 min console.
I like this, chat. 15 close looks good. 30 looks good. Hourly looks good. This is also a 2-hour close. Bullish. It's just a bottom wick. Gay PA. Yeah, that's actually facts. Right, chat. Oh, it's going to push up on the open. Watch. No bottom wick. Oh, come on. Come on, give me it. No. No.
I'm gonna say it.
Say what? 5 no top wick as well. Holy skibbity.
I'm actually gonna say it.
Yeah, if we break this high right now, chat, I'm done. If it comes down and flips right now, it's redeemable. Do not redeem. But why did you redeem? But if it breaks the high, it's cooked.
No, it's already cooked.
Mega night.
It's already cooked.
It's not there.
Flip and reflip. I think we might have to call up Mr. Chus.
Mr. Chuz?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Some
What's his first name?
Chus BA. Hella.
Hella Chuzd.
Yeah.
That's actually a sick name. How about Leslie Chow?
Mr. Chow.
You gonna fuck on me? Chicken burger.
There we go.
What?
Just 1 minute flips. That's it. Let's break the highs.
Yeah, chat, this might rip here. Oh my days, bro. What be a guan here, man? This is unbelievable. Jeff.
what I like to call GG.
Yeah, that actually is GG right there. That is G to the G, chat. Nah, I'm gonna just FOMO into 70 contracts and blame it on a personality disorder. Hard. Yeah, to be fair, if you just say you've got schizophrenia, right? You can say it was your alter ego who FOMO'd in, not you. That might be even meta. He's not amused with that, chat. Dylan, he wasn't a big fan of your joke, unfortunately. I quite liked it personally, but Tom's just told me to tell you that he didn't like it. Oh, chat, that's gonna be the stream, man. Why am I getting messages? GeoGuessr time. Number one hater? Yeah, he actually is. Alright, chat. That's going to be it from me, man. 1 L on the day. So be it, man. Small L. You know what they say about small L's? Big woodies. Big wins. Yeah. Let's just copy this. Send it on over. There you go, mate. Let's come back tomorrow, broskies, just start of the week. Yeah, man, like, chat, like I said. Bro, chat, that was the first loss we've taken on stream in months. Like, actually months. And it was the first loss I've taken in a couple of weeks. So, we were probably due one, right? What if I want to win them all, though? What about then? What if I want to catch them all, though, as well? More specifically. Pokemon. No way you have no losses on... Yeah, evals don't count there. Let me join 2 seconds. Alright, Jay, I'm waiting for you, but hurry up. Are you in? Start without him? Yeah, that would be sick, actually. I'm in? Alright, let's go. Let's go, chat. Yeah, that would be actually quite good if it just doesn't load at all. I feel like this has got to be like Australia or something. Oh my god, this is well good. Just don't load whatsoever. Yeah, Mongolia. Pretty close actually, chat, I reckon. That's ridiculous. Alright. Next game. How's Mark got that? Alright, here we go. It's actually loaded for me. You know what it is? GeoGuessr just wanted to give me a little handicap. It was like, nah, this SG guy's way too good at the game. What is this little bowl? I've got no clue where this is, like literally no clue. I feel like it could be like here. Where is that? Sardinia. Crazy. Chat, I'm actually getting cooked here. I'm not even... Yeah, I'm actually getting cooked. Kalamansham. Oh, it's gotta be... I know where this is, I think. Oh no, it could be anywhere actually. Like here. I feel like that dirt is only in a few places. It could be Australia though. If it's Australia, I'm gonna punch someone. Okay, it's not Australia. It was neither of the ones I suggested. That's well good. Actually. Grrr. Oh. Nah, that's actually unironically a dummy hard lineup of whips right there. It's got to be like here somewhere now. Yeah, man. I feel like that was a dead giveaway though. Did that say armpitia? Oh yeah, I know what this is. I reckon it could be here, you know. Oh, I'm gonna put it in the middle. Actually, nah, I'm staying with my guts. Yes, get in, son. Who's got that on the fucking dot? That's with Triz. That's, bro, definitely hacked. What a comeback, though. I was nowhere to be seen on the leaderboard, and now I am back. We love to see it. That was close as well, low-key. There was literally, oh my days, there was 15 points in it from first and second, and then another, like, 300-400. That's got to be the worst Geo we've played in a while. But chat, back second, Triz first. I'll take a third place. NQ's rejecting a little bit here, chat. All right, look, that's been it from me, man. PA is categorically wank right now. Guys, if you do want to join the waitlist to become a profitable trader, guaranteed within 90 days, otherwise I'll pay you $1,000. Click the link in the top of the chat. Other than that, guys, by the way, just quickly, you would be retarded to not do it, right? It's literally risk-free. Other than that, guys, listen, peace out. Much love. I'll see you guys on tomorrow's YouTube stream because we are streaming on YouTube tomorrow. Peace out, much love. Bye.